Many people will tell you that finding a job is a full-time job, and it does take a lot of energy and a lot of effort. But you know, if you go to your extra bedroom and sit in front of your computer for 7, 8, 9 hours a day, 5, 6, 7 days a week, I'll tell you one thing is going to happen, and that is that you're going to get dejected and depressed. So you really can't do a job search full-time. You need to plan your week, and you need to have some breaks. So I like to see people plan 1 week ahead where they know what their rhythm is. They know, for example, a lot of people, most people in fact, do much better at writing early in the day. So if that's like you, make your mornings be your writing time, where you write your cover letters and you write your emails that are a little bit challenging to write. And then after you get that done, then you can do other things in the day. You can go to the library to do some research. You can have a cup of coffee with a network contact. You can go to a professional association meeting. You can go to a job search support group and get out of the house. I can't tell you how important that is. You can even just go for a walk around the block, get some fresh air, or take a walk in nature. Do some things with your family, with your kids, your grandkids. These things will lift you up and make you happier about your job search, so you're not stressing out, why isn't anybody calling me? And so at this time of unemployment, if you structure it right, instead of being this onerous full-time job that frustrated and depressed you, you'll actually find it was a time of great blessing where you will have grown and learned a lot and changed a lot in a very wonderful way.